Ready to turbocharge your contacts in Stocky Pro? Let's dive in fast. Contact list and view. Your contact list is the master address book, pulling people from desk, space, and every other app. An email ticket lands, Stocky auto creates a unique contact and reuses it forever. Open any contact to see details, link an organization, or browse every ticket tied to that person. Need to slice the data? Tons of intuitive filters have you covered. Create one contact. Navbar two contacts to create. Fill the pop-up. Email is your golden ID. Tag VIPs for instant spotlight. Hit save and next. Add region, country, state, city, postal code, address. Boom, contact saved. Edit a contact. Need a tweak? There are two ways. 1. From the contact list, click the three-dot action menu, then edit. Or 2. Inside the contact view, smash edit up top. Update basic info, region details, even swap its associated organization, then save. Satisfied, fresh, and tidy. Import many contacts. Bulk upload time. On the contacts page, tap Import. Select your CSV, first name and email required. Add last name, role, phone, country, postal code for richer profiles. Map columns. Hit Next. Review, import, efficient. Stocky Pro sorts the whole batch in one swoop. Export contacts. Need a backup or a shareable list? Tap Export. A toast pops up. Hit Track Request. Then download your fresh spreadsheet. Done. Some contact or thousands. Create, edit, import, export. Stocky Pro keeps everything tidy, quick, and ready for action. Nice work.